So, Fernando, I remember that you've done quite a few mocks with us, both written and oral. And so it's good to know that they contributed to your confidence in the examination. What do you think was more difficult, written mocks or oral mocks in the SQE?
Well, for me, before starting to study with OSCEsmart, to be honest, I was more afraid of oral mocks, okay, and oral exams in general. But I think that I did so many oral mocks with you, and all the tips that I received were so great that in the end, I performed better and I was much more confident in the oral exams than in the written part. For me, it was more difficult, the writing exams and the writing mocks in the end, not at the beginning, but I think that the oral mocks, once you try several mocks, like you get the trick and you are able to improve very easily. But in the writing part,
Yeah,
and you can, you don't know what you are going to encounter, and you don't know what the topic is going to be. It can be a very difficult matter. It can be a very easy one, but I think it's more difficult to control.